Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create stars pattern background in Adobe Photoshop. New document Ctrl N. Width 100 pixel and height 100 pixel. Background contents transparent. Polygon tool. Width 50 pixel and height 50 pixel. Number of sides 5. Select star. Select layer and blending options and gradient overlay. Left and right side color stop R 237, G 28, B 44. Middle side color stop R 141, G 17, B 29. Duplicate layer. Make stars different size, angle and colors. Merge visible. Shift Ctrl E. Duplicate layer. Select layer and go to filter menu and other and offset. Horizontal 45 pixel and vertical 45 pixel. Select wrap around. Go to edit menu and define pattern. New document Ctrl N. Width 1280 pixel and height 720 pixel. Background contents white. Double click on layer for unlock. Right click and blending options. Pattern overlay. Select stars pattern. Finally, your stars pattern is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create pattern background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.